Today I am cooking a simple Thai dish for dinner, Stir Fry Kailan with salted fish, to serve with rice and sunny side up eggs. This recipe is for 4 to 6 servings. I will start off with crushing 65 grams of garlic and mincing it all into smaller pieces. This is optional. It can also be pounded or blended roughly if preferred. Once done, put it aside. This is 550 grams of kai-lan, washed and soaked in water for about 1 hour to make them firm and crunchy. Cut each kai-lan stem to separate the stem and leaves. For the thick part of the stem, cut them into thinner slices to reduce the cooking time. Put the stem and the leaves into separate bowls. Leave them aside. Next, cut 25 grams of red and green bird eye chili into half vertically. If a less spicy dish is preferred, the chili can be reduced or even omitted. Leave it aside. Today I am using salted mackerel fish in oil. It is also known as ikan tingkeri masin. As it is quite small, I am taking out 2 to 3 pieces. If they are bigger, 1 piece is sufficient. Set aside for now. I have a little non-stick pan with 4 round sections here. Switch on the heat. Add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil into each section. I will cook the sunny side up egg first, so we can enjoy the kailan immediately once it is cooked. Spread the oil around and drop an egg into the section. Carefully guide the yolk to the center using a spoon as it tends to move to the side. This is just for appearance and it is optional. Cook the eggs for about 3 to 4 minutes over medium-low heat for runny yolks. For firm yolks, flip the eggs and cook for 30 seconds. If the heat is not distributed evenly, turn the pan around. After 3 minutes, use a flat silicone spatula to separate the eggs from the pan. See, we have perfect sunny side up egg in just a few minutes. Once cooked, switch off the heat. Remove the eggs from the pan onto the serving plate and leave aside. Now we can go back to cooking the stir-fry kailan with salted fish. Switch on the heat and wait 1 minute for the pan to get hot. Add 50 ml of cooking oil and the chopped garlic. Stir fry and cook for another minute or until golden brown. I am using my cast iron pan to get a nice wok hei fragrance to the dish. When it is ready, remove from the oil and leave aside. Next, fry the salted fish while the oil is still hot for about 1 minute. As it has a strong taste, other seasonings are not necessary. Otherwise, the stir-fry kailan will be too salty to enjoy. Although I don't have the footage, I recommend discarding the fish bone for food safety purposes. Alright, after the fish is cooked, remove it from the pan and set aside. Remove some of the salted fish flavored oil from the pan as well and set aside. Now wear a mask and add in the chili. The chili fumes are very strong and can cause massive coughing fits, especially since the oil is very hot. Fry the chili for about 15 seconds. Then add all the kailan stem and continue to stir fry for about 45 seconds or until they are well coated with oil and have cooked slightly. Next, add the kailan leaves and continue to stir fry for another 1.5 minutes or until softened and reduced in volume. Alright, the kailan is almost cooked. Add the salted fish and fried garlic. Give it a stir for another 10 to 15 seconds to incorporate all the ingredients. As we stir, the salted fish should break apart and spread out evenly. I am also adding some of the salted fish oil to taste. This is optional. Switch off the heat and we are done. This stir-fry kailan with salted fish is very quick and simple. Now I can dish it out and serve with some rice and top it with the sunny side up egg. Drizzle some fish sauce on the egg. Wow, this is really a $1 million meal at home for my family. Let's eat! It is so delicious and very fragrant. The kailan is crunchy and sweet. The aroma of salted fish and fried garlic is appetizing, making every bite tasty and homey. Even the egg is runny too. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!